Hello, I'm Isaac. I want to give us a method of visualizing correlation between multiple variables using Stata. Visualizing correlation between multiple variables using Stata. I want to open to Stata for us to see. I want to make use of auto data. That's one of the inbuilt data that's come with Stata. Just click on here, and this is the first one here. That's open automatically. So now I can just do correlation first for us to see what you want to visualize. Let me pick price of price to GR ratio of automobile. Then I can now bring this place. So this is what we have. You can see we have price and mileage having negative relationship. Though it's not that strong, it's weak. This is very weak. Price and the repair record and so on like that. I think the one with strongest relationship here, positive, very strong positive relationship here is weight. And I want to just to check this. How do we get this? Is going to the intercept of the two variables. You can see displacement and weight meet here. This is it, 0.9316. This one has the highest correlation, and this is the strongest, positive. So how do we visualize this? That's what I'm trying to show to us today. All I need to do is just write the command. The command for that, we want to show, because we have many variables, we want to show. If it's just one, if it's just two variables, you can use scatter plot immediately to give us the result. But when we have many like this, it has to be in matrix form. We say graph matrix, then and I won't bring it here. Just bring this, changes, and change this to graph matrix. Then I enter it for execution. If the code is right, it's going to build it for me. It's already building it. I'm going to see the matrix of the relationship. If I want it, yes. So you can see price and mileage. How do we read this? You just look at you just look at the intersection just the way we did the other time. If we look at it this way, it's going to give us price versus mileage. If you look at it this way, it's the same thing. Mileage is the x-axis here, y-axis is price. If I'm going to pick record repair, it's going to be price and repair now. This is it. If it is a price and trunk, this is it. This is where they meet. So this is it here. So let me put them side by side for us to see what I'm talking about. Here we see this. Okay. See this minus 0.4559 for price and mileage. You can see it. This is negative. You can see negative relation. Let me look for one positive here. This we had the price and weight 0.54. This is price, weight is here. So where they meet is this. So this is it. This is positive. This 0.5. You can see it. This one is I, but is negative. Minus 0.8055. Weight and mileage. Weight. Mileage is here. Where is weight? This is weight. Where they meet is this. You can see 0.8. You can see the points are, the cluster in one direction. That's a negative. So this helps us to visualize our correlation among many variables. It's so important that without even seeing the values of correlation, we can describe a relationship. Among many, you can just pick two, and it's going to be very easy for us to describe. Now, if you want half of this to appear, maybe just one diagonal. You want the other side not to appear. Maybe you just want it low triangular area or upper. All we need to do is just come here, I put comma here, and I write half. It is half that is going to give me. You can see it's the half that is building for me, and the name are there. So it's the same thing, the same result. It's only that half is what is giving me. You can see, want to check that of price and mileage is here. Want to check price and record, whatever repair record is here. So this is where they meet. This is it. So then if you want to go through, maybe you don't know the code, just go to graphics at the menu. See, this is scatter matrix. Click on it. Then you have a dialog box here. Pick the variable you want, your variable of interest. Pick them. I'm already picking them. Pick, continue to pick. So pick this, pick weight, pick length, everything you want to pick. Then I want, right? You can okay this. I want, you see, you can see lower triangular half only. You just pick this. Diagonal labels, if I want it, I put it there. If I don't want, so I just okay. You can see. So that's done it. Just exactly the way I did it that time. So Stata has provision for this and make our work neater and better, especially when it comes to interpretation. So we are able to visualize correlation between multiple variables. Another video, I'm going to explain how we make use of this in multicollinearity. Thanks for watching.